let me show you how to automate LinkedIn outreach with unlimited LinkedIn senders using this platform. So go to Salesforge.ai and you can use a free trial. Once you sign up, go to multi-channel. In the multi-channel, click add a new sequence. Now you could use multi-channel outreach, but for this video, we're only doing LinkedIn automation. I have a different video setting up multi-channel, so you can take a look at it right here. You first need to select your first step. Is it view profile, request a connection request, send message, whatever it is. Let's do all of them. First, we want to view the profile. Then we want to like a post after, let's say, 2 days. Then what we can do is follow the contact after 2 days as well. This way they see us every now and then throughout the week, and when we send a connection request, we actually get higher acceptance rates. Now you can add a note, but what I've seen is that connection requests without a note get just as good acceptance rates, if not better. So I'll leave it without a note also after 2 days, and then we'll be able to add a condition. If the request is accepted within 7 days, we'll send them a message. If not, we withdraw the connection request after 30 days. When we send a message, we can do whatever we want. We can use spin tags, we can save it as template, we can use custom variables, so it could be like, hey, hello, first name, right? Here you would add your message, so whatever it is, your personalization, your icebreaker, your pitch. Of course, this will be different from every product, from different person, whoever they're sending it to. So you paste your outreach message right here. You can add as many follow-ups as you want. I would suggest to do no more than 3. Again, you can edit them any way you like as well. Custom variables, spin tags, right? Change the timing, and that's it. You literally have a LinkedIn automation set up. You just feed it contacts. You add contacts from the lead database. You connect your sender profiles, meaning your LinkedIn accounts. If you're doing multi-channel, also your mailboxes. You adjust the settings when to actually run this sequence. You can send out as plain text only, CC and BCC if needed, and you launch the sequence. And that's it. You already have LinkedIn automation running for cold DMs for outreach with unlimited sender profiles. I'll link this app in the description below. If you have any questions, please let me know. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.